Ayy, hold on, I been tasting less than 10, in my element, you can call me Aim. Nah, we ain't kicking it, my name ain't Chain. Nah, he ain't my partner, you is not my main. Ayy, let me flip the script, got all these blues on me, but I am not a crip. I'm finna blast off in my rocket ship. I'm a master, but I don't need a whip. That nigga talking crazy, bust him in his fucking lip. I be hustling hard, but my name ain't Nip. Nah, my name ain't Jack, but I'm finna real. He can't make no money, not even a tip. Nigga, I'm afloat, you can't sink my ship. Got a chopper with a tip, I call it big kahunas. Your bitch been passed around just like a rumor. Going deep in this bitch just like a ruler. A nigga wanna step to me, I'ma fucking school him. Ain't with the nonsense, strictly by my fucking moolah. He ain't got shit on lock, he ain't got no pen. Hit him in his face, drop him to his fucking shit. You know it's strictly BOE, I ain't got no friends. Transform on your niggas like my name was Ben. I'm in my fucking zone. Don't pass me that shit if it ain't that strong. Charging up like a nigga from Dragon Ball. These nigga chances be thin just like a fucking thong. Your bitch ain't bad, she look just like a wall. I'm out here running, all your little niggas do is crawl. That bitch head big and look like her name is Paul. Damn, this gas pack got me fucking snoozing. But don't get me wrong, nigga, I ain't never losing. These niggas always out here really be amusing. I always keep it stacked, nigga, I ain't never losing. I meant to say fooling. Scratch that, nigga, I'm really just grooving. Nigga, I'm a grooving. Nigga, I'm